All right, we're starting section 4.1, which is dealing with systems of equations. Chapter 4 in general is systems of equations. What a system of equations is, it's what we get when we take multiple equations at the same time. So you can see here it says a system of linear equations is a grouping of two or more linear equations. For our purposes right now, let's just think of two equations at a time. So we have an example right here. Usually when you deal with the system of equations, you have a little curly bracket on the left-hand side, but not on the right side, not on the right-hand side. Don't ask me why, I don't know why. But this would be an example of a system of equations. In order for something to be a solution to a system of equations, well, it just needs to satisfy each of the equations individually. So if we wanted to check to see if negative 3, 4 is a solution to this system of equations, I need to check each of the two equations. So I'll plug it into the first equation. So checking with the first equation. Usually when we're dealing with multiple equations, I like to label these as 1 and 2. So if you see me doing this number that's circled like that, I'm probably referring to the first equation or the second. All right, so checking this point negative 3, 4 with the first equation, I'll get, let's see, x plus 3y equals 9 becomes negative 3 plus 3 times 4 equals 9. Well, that's negative 3 plus 12 equals 9. And these probably I should be doing question marks. And that is a true statement. So this point does satisfy the first equation. In order for it to be a solution to the system, it has to satisfy both of them. So I'm not done here. I also need to check with the second equation. Checking this with the second equation, which is 4x minus 2y equals 8. So I'll do 4 times negative 3 minus 2 times 4 equals 8. That's negative 12 minus 8 equals 8. And well, negative 20, again, these are question marks. Negative 20 is not equal to 8. So it fails to satisfy the second equation. So this is not a solution to the system. All right, let's check this point. Again, I need to check it with both of the equations. Check with one. We end up getting x plus 3y equals 9 becomes 3 plus 3 times 2 equals 9. These are question marks. 3 plus 6 question mark equals 9. That one's a true statement. And let's check with the second equation. We get, let's see, 4x minus 2y equals 8 becomes 4 times 3 minus 2 times 2, question mark equals 8. That's 12 minus 4, question mark equals 8. That one's true. So this is a solution.